Hello coders, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete a user from the database using the delete method from Spring JpaRepository method. So let's get started. On the previous tutorial I showed you how to get a user by ID. We added a logic to do that. So in delete method we want to delete that user by ID. So here we create a method, we call our method getUserById. When the ID is null, it means we were trying to delete something that does not exist. So we throw an exception. So for now, I'm showing you how to throw a runtime exception. It will return a 500 error. Later on the future videos, I will show you how to have custom exceptions and have a proper response with the proper response message. Then here below, we now add the logic to delete. So here you just say user repository dot delete. Then we'll delete our user one. It means the user exists. So by doing this, we are now able to delete our user from the database. Let's test our code. Then we can run it. It's running on port 991, and let's open then here we want to test. This is the user that we used on the previous video to get so let's try to code this user. Yeah, so to delete we take this user ID and we want to delete this record, and it also has a raw employee. So here this is the ID that we replace here. Then on this method you choose delete, and it is running on port 8991. So let's call this method and see. We get a response code 200. It means the user was deleted. Let's try to send it again. You see an error is now showing here. It's because we already deleted the user, and you can see user ID, this one does not exist because we deleted it. So thank you guys for watching this video. It was very quick. I will see you on the next video where we talk about updating a user. If you are new to this channel, may you please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Salut coders!